Syed Zain Abbas and I am in grade 5 in Learn School Academy. Today, I will tell you about the power of reading. Reading is one of the most important skills we can have, and it can change our life in incredible ways. Firstly, reading helps us to learn and grow. It opens up new worlds of knowledge and ideas. Reading can help improve our vocabulary and communication skills. Secondly, reading is a great source of comfort and inspiration. Whether we're going through a difficult time or simply need a break from the stresses of everyday life, reading is a great way to keep our minds active and healthy. It can help improve our memory, concentration, and cognitive abilities. Finally, reading is a powerful tool that can enrich our lives in countless ways. So whether you are an avid reader or someone who hasn't picked up a book in a while, I encourage you to make reading a part of your daily routine. You never know what amazing things you might discover along the way. Thank you.